Zooplankton are a diverse group of animal-like, microscopic, or small drifting organisms found in oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. They are not a taxonomic group, but rather a functional group, united by their free-floating, non-swimming lifestyle. Most are microscopic, though some, like jellyfish, can be several centimeters or even meters long. Classification and types. Zooplankton are divided mainly into two categories. 1. Holoplankton. Spend their entire life as plankton. Examples: copepods, krill, jellyfish, arrowworms, salps, coma jellies. 2. Meroplankton are planktonic only for part of their life, usually during the larval stage. Examples: fish larvae, crab larvae, sea urchin larvae, barnacle larvae. Common zooplankton groups. Group. Description. Notable traits: copepods, tiny crustaceans, most abundant animal on Earth. Krill, shrimp-like plankton, food for whales and penguins. Nidorans, jellyfish and relatives. Some are stingers. Ctenophores, comb jellies, use cilia to move, bioluminescent. Ketognaths, arrowworms, fierce predators. Pteropods, sea butterflies, mollusks with wing-like foot. Salps, barrel-shaped tunicates, filter feeders, fast growers. Feeding strategies. Zooplankton are heterotrophic, meaning they must consume other organisms to survive. They feed on phytoplankton, microscopic plants, bacteria, other zooplankton predatory behavior, detritus, marine snow. Feeding types: filter feeders use cilia or appendages to trap particles, example copepods. Ambush predators stay still and strike fast, example arrowworms. Raptorial feeders actively pursue prey, example some larvae. Suspension feeders create mucus nets to catch food, example larvaceans. Adaptations and survival tools. Transparency makes them nearly invisible to predators. Bioluminescence is used to escape, lure prey, or communicate. Vertical migration: rise at night to feed, sink during the day to hide. Rapid reproduction: populations can explode under favorable conditions. Resting stages: some produce dormant eggs or enter diapause to survive cold or dry periods. Role in the ecosystem. Zooplankton form a critical link in the marine food web. Primary consumers eat phytoplankton. Secondary consumers eat other zooplankton, eaten by fish, whales, seabirds, jellyfish, filter-feeding invertebrates. They also regulate phytoplankton blooms, transport carbon to the deep ocean, biological carbon pump, influence nutrient cycling in aquatic ecosystems. Environmental importance. Zooplankton are indicators of climate change, ocean acidification, pollution. They are sensitive to temperature shifts, which affect their distribution, reproduction, and timing of life stages, which could potentially disrupt entire food webs. Studying zooplankton. Marine scientists use plankton nets to collect samples, microscopes to identify species, satellites to monitor blooms, and DNA barcoding to classify microscopic species. Threats to zooplankton: rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, especially for shelled zooplankton like pteropods, microplastic pollution, UV radiation from ozone depletion, and habitat changes due to coastal development. Fun facts you might not know. 1. Zooplankton migrations may help mix ocean layers. 2. Some zooplankton eat plastic, mistaking it for food. 3. Their bioluminescence has inspired medical and military technologies. 4. In some cultures, krill are harvested for human food and supplements. 5. In cold polar seas, krill can live for up to 10 years, longer than many fish.